Welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a brake caliper. First thing you want to do is get your tire off. Best thing to do is to turn your wheel away from the side you're working on. And you can see we have one bolt up here and one bolt down here. And that's going to remove the piston section of your caliper. And for this, it's 1/2 inch. Get these all removed. The other thing you want to remove is your brake line. Go ahead and get that loosened up. You will lose some fluid on this, so keep that in mind. And just to keep it clean, I just put a bag and a zip tie over the end of this line. Make sure I have my little parts in there. And we'll just stuff that off to the side. I don't care about this because this is what we're going to be replacing. So once all those bolts are out, your line's disconnected, you're just going to be pulling this caliper off. And just a pry bar like this and get in behind here. It should come off without too much trouble. Okay, see, that's the old caliper. Once you get the actual caliper with the piston part removed, you're gonna go ahead and remove your pads. And that's easy enough to do. And then you gotta remove this bracket. And this bracket has 2 bolts also, one there and one down there. And in this case, they're 15mm. So we're gonna go ahead and break those loose and get those removed, and that will remove this bracket. And once both those bolts are out, you'll see this bracket will just come right off. And that's it. And to put a new one on, you basically reverse the process. If you want some basic information on maintaining your vehicle, check out my free ebook and checklist down in the description. Well, thanks again for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. You ready to play, Layla?